Everyone, my name is Frestika Situmeang. My student ID number is 1913011034. I am from class 3A Mathematics Education. In this video, I will explain about quadratic equation. First, definition of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is an equation whose variable has the highest power equals 2. This is the form of quadratic equation where x is variable, a and b are coefficient where a not equal 0 and c is constant. We go to the root of quadratic equation. The root of quadratic equation is an important factor that you must be able to determine in solving quadratic equation. There are several ways that you can use to find the root of quadratic equation, which are: first, factorization. Factorization is the addition of algebraic terms into the form of multiplying the factor. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where b can be taken from the sum of the first and second terms, and c is the result of first and second terms. Example: the form of quadratic equation x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Then the form of factorization is x plus 3 and x plus 2 equals 0. X dot x is x squared, 2x plus 3x equals 5x, and 3 dot 2 is 6. So the root of this equation are x1 minus 3 and x2 minus 2. This is number 1. Number 2, the form of quadratic equation x squared minus 9 equals 0. Then we got the form of factorization x minus 3 and x plus 3 equals 0. Then the root of the equation are x equals 3 or x equals minus 3. Second, complete the perfect square. From this form, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, we can make it like this. Quantity x plus p plus quantity square equals key. For example, there is equation x squared minus 6x minus 7 equals 0. X squared minus 6x equals 7. We can make it like this: x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 7 plus 9. So from this we can use factorization. X minus 3 square equals 7 plus 9 equals 16. So x minus 3 equals plus minus 4. So we can get the root x1 equals 4 plus 3 or x2 minus 4 plus 3. This is the ABC formula. For example, find the root of equation x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 0. From the equation, we know that a equals 1, b equals minus 4, and c equals minus 5. So x 1, 2 equals minus b minus 4 plus minus square root of b square minus 4 square minus 4 dot 1 dot minus 5 divided by 2 dot a 1. So x12 equals 4 plus minus square root of minus 4 square is 16 and minus 4 dot minus 5 equals 20 divided by 2. So x12 equals 4 plus minus square root of 16 plus 20 equals 36 divided by 2. So x12 4 plus minus square root of 36 equals 6 divided by 2. So x1 equals 4 plus 6 divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5. This is the x1, and the another root x2, 4 minus 6 divided by 2 minus 2 divided by 2 equals minus 1. From the ABC formula, we can know new term, that is discriminant. Discriminant, or commonly denoted by D, is the relationship between coefficients that determine the size and type of the root of the quadratic equation. This is the ABC formula, and from the equation which is discriminant is this: b square minus 4ac. So the ABC formula can be like this: x12 equals minus b plus minus square root of d divided by 2a. Root of quadratic equation actually depend on the value of the determinant, or d, and the explanation is: the first, if the value of d greater than 0, then a quadratic equation will have two unequal real roots, x1 not equal x2. Second, if the value of d equals 0, then a quadratic equation will have two real and twin roots. And third, if the value of d less than 0, then a quadratic equation doesn't have a real root or imaginary roots. We go to example: x squared plus 9x plus 18 equals 0. Remember that the constant 18 can be formed by multiplying between 6 and 3. That's because the sum between 6 and 3 give 9. Then x squared plus 9x plus 18 equals 0. From this we can factorization x plus 6 from this and x plus 3 from this equals 0. Then we get the roots of this equation: x equals minus 6 or x equals minus 3. Okay, example number 2. Find the root type of the quadratic equation x squared plus 16x plus 64 equals 0. Remember, to determine the root type, we must find determinant value, or d. X squared plus 16x plus 64 equals 0. From this, we know that a equals 1, b equals 16, c equals 64. So, d equals b squared minus 4ac. b 16 squared minus 4a1 and c 64. So 16 squared equals 256 minus 4.1.64 equals 256. So d, or determinant, equals 0. The value of d equals 0, then the equation of this has two roots that are twin or same and real in accordance with the previous discriminant explanation. Next, example number 3. Find the root of the equation 2x squared minus 8x plus 7 equals 0 using the formula ABC. Square. From the equation, we know that 2x squared minus 8x plus 7 equals 0. From this equation, we know that a equals 2, b equals minus 8, and c equals 7. So we can use the ABC formula. x1, 2 equals minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x1, 2 equals minus b equals minus 8. So minus 8 plus minus square root of b squared. 8 minus 8 squared equals 64 minus 4 dot a 2 and dot c 7 divided by 2 dot 2. So x1, 2 equals a plus minus square root of 64 minus 2 dot 4 dot 2 dot 7 equals 56 divided by 2 dot 2 equals 4. So x1, 2 equals a plus minus square root of 8 divided by 4. So x1, 2 equals 8 plus minus 2 square root of 2 divided by 4. So we can get the roots. x1 equals 8 from this, 8 plus 2 square root of 2 divided by 4 equals, we can get 2 plus 1/2 square root of 2, and x2 equals 8 minus 2 square root of 2 divided by 4 equals 2 minus 1/2 square root of 2. This is the final answer of the roots, x1 and x2. Okay? So, that's all from me about quadratic equation. I apologize if there are any mistakes. Thank you and see you!